What if today was your last day? Would you be proud of how you lived, or would you feel regret? Most people don't ask this question until it's too late. They wake up, check their phone, go through their routine, and forget the simple truth. Life is not guaranteed. One day the sun will rise, and you won't be here to see it. That's not meant to scare you. It's meant to wake you up. Because you're still here, you still have time. And what you do with it matters more than you think. Welcome to English Starline, where we don't just help you learn English, we help you learn how to live. This is not just another video. This is a reminder, a wake-up call, a push in the right direction. Today, you'll improve your English listening, but you'll also improve your mindset. You'll learn how to take your life seriously, how to stop wasting your time, and how to fight for the life you truly want. Because you deserve more than just surviving. You deserve to live with purpose, with fire, with courage. So listen carefully. This is your moment. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Now. Every second you spend here can change your life if you let it. Let's begin this journey together. Watch till the end. And remember, English Starline is here to help you grow not just as an English speaker, but as a human being. Let's go. Part 1. Life is a gift. Stop taking it for granted. How many people never woke up today? How many dreams ended in silence while you were still sleeping? You didn't earn this day. You were gifted it. And that's what makes it so powerful. The sun on your face, the air in your lungs, the chance to start again, it's all a gift. But most people forget. They complain about small problems. They focus on what they don't have. They wait for the weekend. They wait for the perfect moment. And while they wait, life keeps moving. You're not promised tomorrow. You don't get to pause time. Every second is a chance that someone else didn't get. Every moment you live, you're writing a story. So what kind of story are you telling? Is it full of purpose or full of excuses? Are you living with intention or just going through the motions? Life doesn't need to be perfect to be precious. You don't need to have everything to feel grateful. Look around. You're alive. You're breathing. You can think. You can feel. That's enough to start something great. Don't waste time waiting for something bigger. Make the small things matter. Make today matter. Because here's the truth. People don't regret their failures. They regret their wasted time. They regret not starting. They regret playing it safe. But you don't have to be one of them. You have a gift. Use it. This is your reminder. Life is short, but it is wide, and it is yours. Start living it like you mean it, right now. Part 2. Struggles are proof. You're alive. If life feels heavy right now, it means you're still in the fight. Struggle is not a sign of failure. It's a sign that you're alive, that you're moving, that you're trying. Everyone goes through pain. Everyone faces storms. But not everyone grows from them. The difference is in how you respond. Maybe you lost your job. Maybe someone left you. Maybe you failed at something you cared about. It hurts. And it's okay to feel that pain. But don't let it stop you. Pain is not the enemy. Comfort is. Comfort keeps you still. Pain pushes you forward. Think about the strongest people you know. They didn't become strong by living an easy life. They became strong because life tested them. They were broken and they rebuilt themselves. They fell and they stood back up. Every scar, every setback, every tear, it made them better. Not weaker, better. So if you're struggling right now, don't hide from it. Don't wish it away. Walk through it. Lean into it. Let it shape you. Let it teach you. There's power in your pain. There's a lesson in every loss. Don't waste it. Sometimes the best parts of life come after the worst moments. Sometimes you have to go through the darkness to appreciate the light. So don't give up just because it's hard. Keep going because it's hard. Let your struggle remind you that you are still fighting, still alive, still growing. And remember this, you're not alone. Everyone has battles. Everyone has doubts. But those who win are the ones who refuse to quit. You can be one of them. You already are, just by listening right now. This is your moment to rise, not to run. You're not weak. You're just being tested. And you are strong enough to pass. Keep moving forward, even if it's one step at a time, even if it's slow. Forward is forward, and your struggle is shaping the strongest version of you. Part 3. Your life, your responsibility. No one is coming to save you. That might sound harsh, but it's also the most powerful truth you can hear. Because once you accept it, you stop waiting. You stop blaming, and you start building. Your life is your responsibility, not your parents', not your bosses', not your partners', yours. People love to point fingers. It's the economy. It's my childhood. It's my bad luck. But the moment you give excuses, you give away your power. And the truth is, you don't need perfect conditions to create a better life. You just need one thing: ownership. Own your choices. Own your habits. Own your time. Everything you do today shapes your tomorrow. You don't need to control the whole world. You just need to control yourself. And that's enough to change everything. Discipline is your best friend. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. You won't always feel like showing up, but you must show up anyway. You won't always feel strong, but you can act strong. That's how real growth happens, not in big moments, but in small, consistent choices. Start simple. Wake up earlier. Speak kindly. Keep promises to yourself. Build trust with the person in the mirror. Because once you take full responsibility, no one can stop you. Not even fear. This is your life. And you have one job to make it count. So stop waiting for the right time. Stop waiting for permission. Start now. You are not a victim. You are the leader of your own story. And if something's not right, you have the power to change it. Own your life, and everything begins to shift. This is your time. Take it. Part 4. Face your fears. Run towards the fire. Fear is not the enemy. Fear is the signal. It points you to the place you need to grow. Most people run away from fear, but champions run into it. They walk into the fire not because they're fearless, but because they know what's on the other side: freedom. What are you afraid of? Failing, looking stupid, being judged. That fear is holding your life hostage. It's stopping you from starting the business, speaking up, trying again. And the longer you avoid it, the stronger it becomes. Here's the truth. The things you fear the most are usually the things you need the most. You fear speaking in public. That's your next step. You fear taking a chance. That's your growth calling. Fear is not a wall. It's a door. And you're the only one who can open it. Think of fire. Yes, it burns. But it also purifies. It removes what's weak. It reveals what's strong. When you run into your fear, you come out cleaner, sharper, braver. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. The first step is the hardest. But after that, everything changes. Confidence grows. Courage builds. You stop seeing fear as the enemy and start seeing it as a teacher. Every fear you face makes you more unstoppable. Don't let fear decide your future. Don't let fear steal your dreams. Stand up, step forward, run toward the fire. It won't destroy you, it will shape you. And once you face it, it loses its power. You are stronger than your fear. You just have to prove it to yourself. Now go. Take that step. Burn the excuses and rise through the fire. Part 5. You are worthy. Even when it feels like you're not. Someone told you that you're not good enough. Maybe it was a teacher, maybe a friend, maybe your own thoughts. And over time, you started to believe it. But let me tell you the truth. Those voices were wrong. You are worthy, even if you've made mistakes, even if you feel broken, even if you don't see it yet. Everyone has moments when they feel small, when life gets heavy and the world feels too big. But just because you feel unworthy doesn't mean you are. Feelings change, but your value stays. You were not created by accident. You were made with purpose. Your life has meaning. You have something to give to this world that no one else can. Maybe it's your voice. Maybe it's your kindness. Maybe it's your strength to rise even after falling again and again. That's not weakness. That's power. When you doubt yourself, remember this. You have survived every hard day so far. You felt pain and kept going. That's not failure. That's strength in disguise. So don't believe the lie that says you're not enough. You are more than enough. You're still growing. You're still learning. And that's beautiful. No one gets to define your worth but you. Not your past, not your mistakes, not other people. You get to choose what happens next. You get to decide how your story ends. So stand tall even when your knees shake. Speak up even when your voice trembles. Keep going even when you don't feel ready. Because you are worthy. Right now, as you are. And the world needs what only you can give. Don't let doubt win. You've come too far to believe you're not enough. You are more than enough. Believe it. Live it. Be it. Part 6. Cut off the noise. Misery loves company. Not everyone around you wants to see you grow. Some people are stuck in their own sadness. And instead of climbing out, they pull others down. Misery loves company. And if you're not careful, you become part of it. There are people who laugh at your dreams. People who say, "That's impossible." People who tell you to be realistic. But they're not trying to protect you, they're trying to keep you small. Because your courage makes them uncomfortable. Your ambition reminds them of what they gave up. If you want to grow, you have to protect your space, protect your mind. You don't need negative voices around you every day. You need people who push you, challenge you, and remind you of your worth. Sometimes that means walking away, not with anger, not with hate, but with peace. Because you've got work to do, you've got a life to build, and you don't have time to explain your mission to those who don't want to understand it. Cut off the noise, turn down the drama, silence the doubt, and focus on your path. This is your journey. You don't need permission to grow. You don't need approval to dream. You just need the courage to keep moving. Stay strong, stay focused, and don't let someone else's misery become your lifestyle. You were made for more. Surround yourself with belief, not bitterness. You're going somewhere beautiful. Don't let anyone keep you stuck. Part 7, fight for your life, not just exist. There's a big difference between living and just existing. Existing means waking up, going through the motions, and waiting for the day to end. Living means waking up with purpose, with fire, with a reason to move forward. Too many people exist. Too few truly live. But you weren't made to just survive. You were made to create, to grow, to feel joy, to make a difference. And if you're just existing right now, it's time to wake up. This is your life. Not a rehearsal, not a warm-up. The real thing. You won't get another chance at this exact day. This moment will never come back. So what are you doing with it? Are you building something, learning something, becoming someone you're proud of? No one is going to hand you the life you want. You have to fight for it. You have to decide that your goals are worth the effort, that your dreams are worth the discomfort, that your future is worth the sacrifice. Fighting doesn't mean punching or yelling. It means showing up when you don't feel like it. It means trying again after failing. It means believing in yourself even when no one else does. You get one life, one chance. Don't waste it waiting. Don't waste it hiding. Don't waste it living small. Rise up, get clear, take action, and fight not just to exist, but to live fully, live loudly, live proudly. This is your life. Make it count. Conclusion. This is your moment. If you're still breathing, it means your story isn't over. You still have time. You still have choices. And you still have the power to turn everything around. But time doesn't wait. Life doesn't pause. And every day you waste is a day you never get back. So stop waiting. Stop hoping someone else will fix it. You are the answer. You are the solution. Everything you need is already inside you. The strength, the wisdom, the fire. It's all there. You just have to use it. You've heard the truth today. Life is short. Life is hard. But life is also beautiful. Every struggle can grow you. Every fear can shape you. Every moment is a chance to rise. So rise. Take control. Say no to excuses. Say yes to responsibility. Cut off the noise. Stand in your worth. Face the fire. And fight not just for success, but for your soul, for your joy, for your life. This is not about being perfect. It's about being real, being honest, being committed to something greater. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to start. And if you're ready to grow not just in life, but in language, you're in the right place. At English Starline, we help you improve your English and improve your mindset. This was more than a motivational story. This was your wake-up call. Now it's your turn to act. Learn, grow, speak with confidence, live with purpose. Subscribe to English Starline for more lessons that teach you English and change your life. Don't waste your life. Make it something you'll be proud of.
Thanks for watching English Starline. Subscribe now to keep learning English through the amazing stories of famous lives.